Hey guys, I've got a few things to do today. I need to clean my room, and I also really want to sort out my giveaway prizes coming up for December, so that's only in a few days, so I want to get that done today and kind of get them all set up and start taking the photos of them and everything. And yeah, so I think that's what I'm going to do now. Yesterday I started wrapping the first lot of giveaway prizes, and I've got some of them in their bags ready to be sent. For the ones that are international, I need to go get the customs forms first, so I'll go do that when I'm at the post office next, and then I can send those ones out as well. I've also got a few things that I decluttered, so I need to get them sorted so that I can pass them on to my friend. So yeah, what I might do first is I've got a box down under my desk that has some giveaway stuff in it, so I'm going to put that in another box and then put the decluttered stuff in that box so that it's out of the way. So yeah, that's what I'm going to do first. Alright, so I can get that out of the way now. I might keep these giveaway boxes under here for now just because I haven't announced the winners yet. The giveaways don't finish for another couple of days. So I'll put those there. The rest of the giveaway stuff is inside. Most of it's wrapped, so... I think I might go inside for... Oh, I don't know how to do the other giveaways, if I should sort them out here or sort them out inside. I've just got a bit more room inside, that's all. Maybe I should take them inside. Anyway, I'll do that in a minute. I think... I don't know what to do next. I might just clean off my makeup desk next, just so that's all nice and fresh. And then, yeah, I might go inside and get these rest of the giveaway prizes wrapped and also sort out the ones for December. Alright, so I've cleaned my makeup room pretty much now. So as you can see here, I've got a lot of boxes. So all these 4 boxes are giveaway stuff, and I'm just waiting on one more box as well. And I have to wrap the rest of the giveaway stuff for the giveaways that I've just announced. So yeah, I think I'll try and organise these. I think I'm going to have some lunch first and then I'll get into doing that. So yeah, I'll have my lunch and then yeah, I'll get into organising, like doing up the giveaways and finishing off these and like wrapping all the giveaway parcels. So yeah. Alright, so I've finished my lunch now, and now I'm just going to make some packs, I guess, and try and decide where I'm going to put what and like what's going to go in each giveaway. So yeah, that's what I'll do now. I'll probably just fast forward this. So yeah. Okay, so I think I've got most of it kind of sorted. I don't know why, I just feel like they're not good enough. Yeah, but anyway, I still have some other stuff coming as well for giveaways, so yeah, this is kind of like the main rundown, I guess. So yeah, hopefully you guys are gonna like them. I hope they're not like I hope you think they're good, but yeah. Anyway, so I guess what I'll do now is kind of like pack this up and then just write out the rest of the giveaway things. And yeah, that should be pretty much it for this video. I think my room is clean now, so yeah, I'll just write out the giveaway parcels now pretty much, I guess. Alright, so I'm just packing the giveaways now. I don't think I'll film this part just because I don't want I don't want to obviously show the addresses. So yeah, I'll just finish this off, then I'll show you how they're all looking after they're done, and then I'll show you my room. So yeah, I'll see you guys soon.